Okay, students, welcome back to our unit on measurement. In this video, what we're going to be learning is how it is that we can add metric units of length with regrouping. So if you notice on the board, we have a problem. It says add 7 kilometers, 550 meters, 2 kilometers, 135 meters, and 1 kilometer, 600 meters. So as you notice, we're using two different units right here, kilometers and meters. So we're going to be adding all these add-ins and see what the sum is. Now, as we did in our previous video, one way we can go about doing this is to put all units that are the same together and add them. So in this case, we have kilometers and meters, so we're going to be adding all kilometers together and all meters together. And the easiest way to do this is to use columns. So we can set up our columns like this, kilometers on one side, meters on the other. And now we need to set out the problems, set out our add-ins accordingly. So our first add-in is 7 kilometers, 550 meters. Meters on one side, kilometers on one side. So under the kilometers column, we're going to have 7. And under the meters column, we're going to have 550. Then we need to add our second add-in, which is 2 kilometers, 135 meters. We have to ensure that all our digits lined up properly. Okay, and then our third add-in is 1 kilometers, 600 meters. So we have all our add-ins. Now it's time to add. So we're going to start off on the right side. 0 plus 5 plus 0, that's 5. 5 plus 3 plus 0, that will give us 8. 6 plus 1, that will be 7 plus 5, that will be 12. Now, look at what we have right here. We have 1,285 kilometers. Sorry, not kilometers. 1,285 meters. The question is, can we regroup this into kilometers? Yes, we can, because we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. And in this, we have 1,000 meters. So what can we do? We can subtract our 1,000 meters out of this, which will represent 1 kilometers, and we'll be left back with 285 meters. That 1 kilometer that we have, we are going to regroup it over the kilometers column. So we have it over there now. All we need to do is add all those digits under our kilometers column. So 1 plus 7, 8, plus 2, 10, plus 1, 11. What is our final answer? Our final answer is 11 kilometers, 285 meters. That's our final answer. Okay, now we have a second problem on the board that we would like to work as another example. So the problem says add 5 meters, 95 centimeters, 2 meters, 13 centimeters, and 1 meter, 10 centimeters. Like in our previous example, we need to put all like units together. So we need to set up a column for that. So we have meters on one side, centimeters on the other. So this time we're using two different units. All right, now we need to select our add-ins that need to go into our columns. So our first add-in is 5 meters, 95 centimeters. Our second addend is 2 meters, 13 centimeters. And our third addend is 1 meter, 10 centimeters. Now that we have them all set out, now it's time to add. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 0, 8. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. Question, do we need to regroup? Yes, we can. Why? Because 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. And here we can see that we have 118 centimeters. So we can regroup this as 1 meter. All we need to do is take out 100 centimeters from this, and we'll be left with 18 centimeters. And then we regroup that 100 centimeters as 1 meter, and we put it over the meters column. Now we're through with our centimeters column. We need to add our meters column. 1 plus 5, 6, plus 2, 8, plus 1, 9. Our final answer is 9 meters, 18 centimeters. That's how we would add metric units of length with regrouping.